What up, what up, what up, what up, everyone? Big up on yourself. Thank you guys for subscribing. New subscribers, welcome. This is Mr. Bennett. No joke. Today we're looking at, well, we look at so many today. Now we'll be looking at the 2016 paper. Guys, I still haven't got a hold of the 2019 papers yet. However, I'm still trying. Your education is a priority for me, all right? Big up on yourself, everyone. Thanks everyone for joining. Guys, you know it's possible. Just share the life so somebody can benefit just as though you are benefiting. You know what I mean? Yeah, pick up on yourself. I'm gonna go through it as fast as possible. I don't want to hold up time. I'm not searching for time, as in I don't want to say, oh, watch time hours. Me not watch that. I'm gonna watch more and get information to you guys as quick as possible, but yet still as smooth as possible. Big up Javon Deslandes, students of St. Mary's College, 6th form. Yeah. All right. So number one say keyboard, speakers, and CDs are, these are all peripheral devices. Number two says scanning an item at a computerized checkout station in a supermarket is an example of processing. Remember, guys, I'm just gonna go through it as quick as possible. We want it to reach an hour, not even close. I want to do it in half an hour, all right? Just share it, guys, on your status and support social media so others can get the benefit of it. All right. The arithmetic logic unit, AUL, is a part of the CPU, essential processing unit. The binary equivalent of the decimal number 7 is, we did that already. I was supposed to do right here, so I don't know what I'm going for them. I think we did that earlier. And other something, so as I see it, I remember it. All right, which of the following is most suitable for printing building ply? So that's number 5. And that would be a platter. That would be the most suitable. So number 5 is the platter. Let's move on to number 6. Guys, you can like it too, all right? So YouTube can recommend it to more people. What type of management occurs when the operating system undertakes communication between a printer and a system unit? So that's number 6 of Sherlock after. And that is a process. Hope everyone seeing clearly. Again, thank you guys for being a part of my channel. It's a really awesome channel, and it's going to only get better. Which of the following has the largest data storage capacity? Is it optical, USB, flash memory drive, or is it the hard drive? Everyone should know that the hard drive is basically that. All right, 8. Which of the following primary storage device can be programmed only once? It's not the RAM, so therefore it is erasable and programmable. So it's actually B. All right. Leave a comment, guys. Leave a comment. Which country are you from? Which school? Represent, represent. I'm gonna try to do another one. Number 9. The time taken by the read-write head to locate and transfer data is termed as, is it seek time or is it no, the access time, the time it takes to access it. All right. To use a program stored on a flash drive, it must transfer it into the, no, it must be transferred into the RAM. Remember the RAM only temporarily, right? So we're on our way to reach 1/6. Let's go, let's go. So we're at number 11. And number 11 says, a diskette is divided into concentric circles called, and that one is sector. Hold on. A diskette is divided into a number of concentric circles called tracks. Circle. Yeah, man, attracts that guy. Sorry about that. It's a circle, right? All right, number 12. Which of the following user interface devices is best suited for visually impaired person? Is it a touch screen? Every time I see this, me laugh, you know. Every time I see this, me laugh. Forgive me, that's how I am. It's actually Braille. We did that earlier. I'm trying to focus on the ones that we have not done so far. So number 13, laser beam technology is used by none other than the optical disc. All right. Share it, guys. Share it. Number 14, which of the following prefix which relates to bytes are arranged in the smallest to the largest? So that would be kilo, mega, giga, tera. So that is C. Going on fine so far, guys. Like up the video, no man. Just spend a second and like it. Come on. We need the support. Number 15. Which of the following provides omission of DNTN in both directions at the same time? So that's number 15. And that is full duplex. Guys, remember, if you have any issue with any of the answers, you can always put it in the chat or in the comment section. All right. So Bennett is all about you learning, not all about. I remember I'm a maths teacher, by the way, so I'm not gonna say Ray. It's a learning process for me also. I'm excellent at IT, I know that, but there's always a lot to be learned. Number 16. We do this so many times. I'm just gonna write the domain name. We did this so many times. If you are new here, there are at least 6 videos of multiple choice. I'm gonna try to get in more. So guys, you just have to encourage me and give me the push. All right. I'm alone. I'm tired and all of that. Number 17. Program that duplicate the knowledge of diagnostic skill displayed by humans performing specialized tasks are referred to as, would then put it there, expert systems. We did that quite a few times before, so we don't want to spend a lot of time on that. The use of information communication technology, which is ICT, to conduct meetings at different locations is called teleconferencing. We don't want to waste time on the ones that we know already. We don't need no explanation. Exam is tomorrow, and we need to get transferring data from a remote computer to a computer transfer to is referred to as downloading. You guys love to download. All right. 20. Find 20 to be very interesting. Let's go. The scrambling of message scrambling of message before sending is called encryption. All right. Remember, we encrypt it, and when time we receive, they decrypt it. That's very important. Now, nobody write coding. Why I'm saying that? Because I thought about that when I was looking at it. We have to alleviate errors, all right? So we should be on to 21 now. All right, telecommuting can best described as working from the office after establish a connection at home. Working from home by connecting home and office. Or is it B, using telephone while communicating? No, sir. Answer doesn't make no sense. Working from home by connecting home. So that is C. A webmaster is, I guess, that are important to the company because he or she is responsible for the website. We have done that many times. Again, guys, my answers are not the gospel. You can let me know if you have any issues or anything. I'm always willing to learn also. Any unauthorized person is allowed to view another person's name by merely providing a phone number to a service representative at a telephone company. This is an example of A, propaganda, E, eavesdropping, C, computer fraud, or is it violation of privacy? I'll go with computer fraud. I feel so right, you know. All right, you could just put an asterisk here, so I'll go on with the piece later. All right, 24. Which of the following checks is not a validation technique? Is it A, range? Is it B, double entry? Inconsistency, we have done this before. Double entry. Let's move up to 25. We're almost halfway, guys. Let's go, let's go. Keep liking, keep commenting. All the best in your exam tomorrow, all right, everyone? Which of the following is detected by the use of pressure sensor? Pressure. All right, so motion. No, that's a pressure. I think that will go with weight. Yeah, because of pressure. All right, 26 now. The illegal copying, distribution, or sale of proprietary software is known as proprietary software is known as, is it A, computer fraud, computer theft, computer software fraud, or software privacy? Not privacy, piracy. Yeah, you're responding news. So that is software piracy. You should come on, guys, may I go too fast. An algorithm, blah, 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 is variable to use a store price of a grocery item. The most appropriate data type used for the price is real. You know, you can have $25, 50 cents, and all of these things. All right, so 28. Which of the following types of document is used for initial recording of a data relating to a business transaction? Which of the following types of document is used for initial recording of data? So that's 28, and that would be the source. This one is the first I'm doing this one, so pay attention to this one. A lot of them repeat, but that one is the first. This one also. Which of the following is a sequential access MIDI user with that? And that would be the magnetic tape. And you see the word tape, you know, say, you know, just think about magnetic tape. All right, we're going on good so far. 30. Which of the following is not an example of commercial data processing? Oh, guys, we reached halfway. Let's go, let's go. We're going on fine. Going on fine, we going on fine, we going on fine. So we're at 30 now. Halfway there. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do so. If you have not liked this video yet, please do so. If you have not watched my other 8 videos, please do so. It's very important. We don't want to leave your grade to chance and say, I hope this come, I hope that not come. No, we don't, we're not that way. We want to be fully prepared so you guys can get your grade that you desire, which is a distinction. All right, so on to 30 now. Which of the following is not an example of commercial data processing? And that is forecasting hurricanes. I've done that on what other channel, other video. 31. In computing, a word wrap refers to. I want your opinion on this one, guys. Is it A, word wrap? Is it A, placing a text around a graphic? Is it B, placing a text at the back of a graphic? Is it the automatic carrying forward of text once the current line is filled? Or is it the user of a manual place a cursor on a new line when the previous one is filled? So word wrap, for me, understand word wrap. Yeah, I want to talk to you. Type in the answer, guys. I'm not sure what the answer. I'm going with A, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this, alright, guys? Do some research, fun. Shouldn't even put the answer, but you don't know. 32. Which word processing feature must John use if he wants to include his company logo in the bottom of the margin of every page of the document? And that would be a footer, not footnote. Alright, guys. Header and footer. Header at the top. 33 now. While typing a document, it may be necessary to change the height of the characters. Which word processing feature should be used? Is it letter size, paper? What that? What do you mean papers? A paper size, you want to say? Paper size, font size. Well, for characters, that means a font size. 34. When text is aligned with both left and the right margin at the same time, this is called justified. Sometimes they will give you the pictures. This one is good. All right, we'll give you the theory part. So we're on to 35 now. We're going on fine. We're going on fine. We're going on fine so far. 35 now. While entering a word and word processing document, Michelle noticed that each new letter entered was replacing the previous one. The mode activated in this is type over. All right, let's go now. 36. A thumbnail image on a web page is used to represent a smaller version of the whatever, provide a link. All right, so this is 1. 37. So this is, guys, just see me sacrifice and so have to make it can't watch nothing. Silence. All right, you have typed the character tree. Which of the following formatting feature should be used to create? That is the superscript. Superscript. So it'll go up the top, right? Yeah. So me know like something, guys. All right, 38. Which of the following types of software should be used for application that involve repetitive numerical calculation? This is a maths word. What am I maths teacher? And that is the spreadsheet. We have done this a lot numerous of times. Guys, I've done about 4 of these from today. I'm really tired. So you know what I'm saying. You may struggle, trust me. You know way. No way, no way. And you know, but I feel embarrassed by your father. I'm tired and weary. Okay. You're not embarrassed by your father? Pronounce the word wrong, son. The old Caribbean is gonna hear me. Hear me. All right, so we're on to 39. So far, so good. In what form is the data stored in a database? Is it table, chart, numeric, or is it string? And well, if I say database, we know a table, right? We did this one earlier, so I'm gonna just go straight for the answer. So this one, May. January, February, March, April, May. So I'm May, right? May 11th, May 14th. All right. So we know my days of the week. Which of the following must be placed in the front? Which of the following must be placed in the front of the column letter and row number to create an absolute reference? I don't see the answer. See the answer, save the answer, obviously. I'm just write down the answer, guys. I know it, you know, I know it. Girls, you like that's up me here. You like it. All right, let's move on. So we're on to 42. You need to enter the text weekly report to appear in the middle of the space used by 5 columns below. Which of the following spreadsheet commands will enable this to be done? Yeah, understand what I'm asking. That's million center. Which of the following can be used in a spreadsheet? Copy the same number across multiple rows in a single column. You know, for your IT exam, the man them type out the thing shaky, no man. What this? IT paper should have been the best edited and something. Which of the following can be used to spread sheet? Oh, which of the following can be used in a spreadsheet to copy the same number across multiple rows in a single column? That's the cursor, right? Somebody was leaving a comment. Thanks for the comment. I think it's my friend from Manchester. All right. So let's look at 44 now. In a spreadsheet, the column title will always be visible when you scroll the spreadsheet if you freeze the first row. Like police in Jamaica, they not so freeze. And kill and then ask the question. So we do it over here. It's so sad. You tell you serve me something. Guys, forgive me, I didn't get to eat any dinner. So I have to eat now. As I feel lack of energy. I've been doing so much work and research from morning, I haven't get to eat much. So just give me a like for that. Give me a like. Which of the following is the correct sequence of the date? Oh, we did that already. Let me just find one. First, I open my table in design view, select the to be deleted. Choose the delete option. Choose confirm delete. Almost here, guys. 46. Considered following algorithm: A equals 7, B equals 9, A equals B minus A. B equal A plus B, write A, B. The output of this algorithm is, Jesus. And what's this? All right, so that. That is, I get 2. So that's at 2 and 11. All right, let's go on to 47. Which of the following flowchart symbol represent process? And we got Mr. Gill. Pass me and pass and hear me teach that up here. Enough time. So that is that 48 now. Program debugging should be performed. Is it A, during the design phase, B, during the testing phase? Is it B, C, before compiling the program, or is it D, before identify any test data? In representing algorithms, which of the following statements would be played or you see how I do, guys? I run over 48, I have to calm down, you know. And that would be during the test phase. Guys, I'm not somebody who is selfish. I'm not thinking about me right now. Even though if my video is longer, it's better for me, you know. I get more views and watch time, but guess what? I'm not thinking about that. I want you guys to be able to can go through this in a reasonable time. All right, in representing the algorithm, which of the following statements would be placed in the flowchart shown below. Again, big up Deslandes. You're a lifesaver, sir. All right, so 50 now. The data that cannot be changed during the execution of the program are called, is it variable, constant, characters, or string? As the name suggests, constant. And this channel will constantly grow. Not no hype thing, but guys, I have a plan. I have everything figured out, you know. I'm gonna do every single subject on my channel. Every single subject I'm gonna do on my channel. No joke about it. At all levels too. From the primary school, come right up to university. So even when you're in university, you can come over to this and come link me up and we'll do the calculus, the statistics, anything you wanna do in a must. You can manage the channel for free. Alright. Which of the following tasks does the algorithm below perform? Read that, print A. So you read 2 number and print 1. So feel something fishy with this. Why are 2 be there? Alright, I'm gonna examine them. Read 2 numbers, print the first number. Read 2 number, print the smaller number. There's no sign in there, it's a smaller. Right, I don't see no sign, you know. I think this will be less than. No, no. If I that, it'll be this. No, no, yeah. No, I mean it's a one day, but one day don't make no sense to me. I don't think that should be B though. I think that should be less than based on the options and so. Or based on what we see earlier. 52 now. Almost there, guys. Almost there. How are you guys feeling? The type of programming language in which instructions are written using abbreviated forms of words is known as assembly language. So that is A. Look up everybody if you join me something, you know. It's a benefit to know. Alright, so let's move on to 53. Which of the following is a valid Pascal data type? Is it numeric, real, number, or D, letter? Which is it that guys typing that? A long time we don't type in nothing. I'm just being real now. Get it? Yeah. All right, so that's 53. That's real. 54 now. What type of errors are caused by not following the rules of a particular computer programming language when creating a software? And that is syntax error. We have seen this so many times, guys. Even as a math teacher, in our brain. I can say in our brain. All right, 55. The terms end and stop using algorithm are called. Is it loop? Is it output? Is it process? Or is it terminators? When I'm gonna bring out the new Terminator movie, so this is D, right? Because you want to terminate. End mean terminate. You have to know IT for that, English that. All right, 56. Oh Lord. Get that all yourself. The last step in creating a program is to, I did this earlier, is to test the solution. 57 refer to that. The sum 0 that while count less than 10 do that, count equal count plus 1, read number sum, end while print. If the while loop is to be executed 10 times, what would be the initial value in this count? Alright, so let's make the one only. It says sum of 0, so after this 0. Alright, so it's 0. Is it a 0? Yeah, man, a 0. Can I see there? Alright, so that would be 0. Guys, make sure you share this with your teacher so they can confirm. You know the steps go already done. Alright, let's move on to the last 3, 58, 59, and 60. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end. I hope you get a distinction. Alright, 58. Which of the following options can be used to replace 1, 2, and 3 in an algorithm? We not do that already. Hold on. So it should be prompt at the front. Yes, so is this. All right, so we have 2 more to go. 2 more to go. We don't want to take long. We want this to be the short one. Which of the following is the Pascal code used to declare an array word with 20 letters? All right, so I think to start with bar, word, array, chart, list array. That is C. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and you will enjoy the exam. I'm gonna try to get in at least one more. I'm not sure, guys. I can't make any promise. I'm so tired. My eyes are literally bleeding right now. All right, that's a lie, but you know me, my eyes red. Not seeing the screen well and everything. But don't know anything go. So many care about people so much. What is the most appropriate control structure to be used for calculating the total of 10 numbers? What is the most appropriate control structure to be used for calculating 10 numbers? All right, if then no something. So that is D. Again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please share on your social media page and so forth and so on. Thank you. I appreciate you all. You guys are awesome. All the very best in your exam. This is Mr. Bennett. I'm out. Guys, remember, share the video, share the video, share the video, share it. Don't stop share it. Even when exam done, just share it. I want to help a lot of people. Just share it, share it, share it. All right? Thanks, guys. You're awesome.